What is up, everyone? So today I want to show you the progress we've done on the Cafe Racer. Thank you to shout out to my 23 viewers. I hope y'all appreciated that. But before I show you that, I want to show you some other projects that we're working on. And yeah, let's see what happens. So I am here in my garage. Before I show you that, I want to show you two projects that we're working on. So number one is this Honda CB900. So this one's a special one. I think it's a 10-speed. It's got 5 low-range gears, 5 high-range gears, I believe. Yeah, there you go. You got 2 shifters right there, 1 and 2. And you've got separate gear oil. I forget how this works. We've had a couple of these, but it was already the cafe conversion had already begun on this. We didn't start it, but we're definitely gonna change a lot. I mean, this guy used wood to build this stuff. I think it's like rotting away. We're gonna cut some of this out. We ordered a new seat, which should be coming tomorrow. And we already painted the tank, the fender, put on this little headlight. These were already on here. I'm not too sure where they're from, but we'll have a video coming on this bad boy pretty soon. That's what it looks like so far. Needs a lot of work still. So this is a Suzuki GS550. We're testing something with the electrical system right now. Don't ask me, I just got here, I saw this out, so I assume. So, it's got a beer holder thing, I believe it is. I didn't make this up, we just bought it like that. And previous owner installed a GSX-R front end. I mean, it looks pretty nice. Sorry. Looks pretty nice. It definitely needs a lot of work. And this isn't the rear end that will be going on. We have a GSX-R rear end over here somewhere. Right there. Under these pipes. So these are the two projects that we're working on right now. Here's the carbs for the Suzuki. And now, here is the CB650. Wait, let's do this right.